I'll hitch a ride from the Texas. Oh, but times ain't like they used to be. Nowadays, a hobo is a terrorist. I gotta sit and watch the world fly by me. I would drive my car down to the ocean, but I guess that's something I'll never see. No, I can't afford the gas to get me out of town. I gotta sit and watch the world fly by me. Oh, the rich are getting richer every day, and the working class gets stuck with a bill to pay. Sometimes I wonder how can they sleep as I sit and watch the world fly by me. Well, the good book says we should help our neighbor, but it's all I can do to help my own. Pay tomorrow's prices for yesterday's food, and I'm wondering how long can it all go on. Well, now I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, but there's some things I'll never understand. We can spend all our money to put a man on the moon, but we can't feed the hungry in our own homeland. Oh, the rich are getting richer every day, and the working class gets stuck with the bill to pay. Sometimes I wonder how can they sleep as I